Example number 10. Example 10. Continuing with the trend of put formula and get answer. Here is one more example. Homework માં આપી દો ના એક વખત તો કરવા દો. So what is given? A solenoid has a core of material with relative permeability. So there is something inside this. How much relative permeability? 400. It's not air, right? What is the windings of the solenoid are insulated from the core and carry a current. The current is flowing in this wire is how much? 2 ampere. And I को के IF को जे के होए free current. Alright? Okay. પછી number of turns per unit length is small n. Small n is how much? 1000 per meter. Okay. Then calculate A H. No. H is formula n into I F. तो आंसर આવી જશે ને હવે નહીં આવે 2 into 10 raised to 3 ampere per meter. All right. Next. શું પૂછ્યું છે સેકન્ડ શું પૂછ્યું છે H A M A B નક્કી કરો કેમ આવું છે H પછી M solution કેમ જોવો છો શું કામ જોવો છે solution M is equal to chi M into H આવી રીતે કરાય. See, a big problem that might arise is deciding which formula to use. M ની તો આપણી પાસે બે જ ફોર્મ્યુલા ત્રણ છે. sigma M induced upon volume બીજો આઇસોલેશન બીજો એક NI B પણ I B equivalent. ઓકે અને એક આ છે chi M into S. clear? ઓકે chi M આપ્યું question એના થાય 1 minus આપ્યું છે mu1 is 400. what is chi M? 399. रिलेशन याद है ना mu1 is equal to 1 plus chi. तो chi M तो होते 399. clear? Okay or not? So 399 into how much is it? ऊपर से 2 into 10 raised to 3. So final answer is 7.98. 798 आवे ना into 10 raised to 5. Understood or not? Yes. Okay or not okay? Unit N is the same because chi M has no unit. समझे क्यों? Yes. Okay. C. What C? Find B. You can do it in several ways. B equal to mu0 mu r into h કરી શકાય or B is equal to mu0 into h plus m કરી શકાય. Is that fine? આ યાદ છે? No યાદ રહેगा. That's enough. Clear? ગમે તે કરો એક પડ દો homework. Okay, don't try to match the answer with the book. કારણ કે એકાદમાં કંઈક મિસ્ટેક છે એવું મને યાદ છે. Alright, let's go to the next. D શું છે? એ છે magnetizing current मतलब IM or IB. कैसे कराए? If we have value of M equal to IB. M equal to NIB. याद આવી ગયું? Yes. So n ની value done. Fine. बुक માંથી છાપીનો નાખતા बुक ના અંદર ખોટા છે પછી આન્સર નહીં આવે એવી રીતે. Okay. Now question 24 from exercise is homework. Okay. I'm erasing everything. अच्छा ये 24 क्वेश्चन है ने એમાં એક હિન્ટ આપવાની એક વર્ડ એવો લખ્યો છે એમાં જે તમે કોને થાય રોલ એન્ડ રિંગ એવો લખ્યું છે. Can you read it? Yes. Roll and ring is nothing but the kind of a toroid, right? Any toroid જ છે કેવી રીતે કરી નાખો. Fine. Okay, now let's go to the next topic. And it is this here. Rowland ring is toroid. Okay, next. Properties of materials. So we have materials. So we are going to talk about the types of materials as far as magnetism is concerned. Right, type of materials as far as magnetism is concerned. So first one, first type of material that we are going to talk about is diamagnetism. Right, diamagnetism. Now diamagnetism is similar to dielectric substances. જેમ dielectric હોય એ diamagnetic. Okay, but it's not diamagnetic, it is diamagnetic. Alright, chemistry માં કદાચ તમે લોકોમાં diamagnetic લખેલું છે, I'm not wrong. Yes, diamagnetic ને એવું નથી, એ diamagnetic હતી. Diamagnetic હશે તો સારું, mistake નથી. Okay, so what is diamagnetism? It's that case which arises when all electrons are paired. એવું બધું મને આવે ને chemistry માં કે નહીં, all electrons are paired. Short માં લખાવી દો. Second, it means net magnetic moment of an atom is 0. Okay. Now, if net magnetic moment of an atom, so come 0 થાય, simple idea. You know, when you study chemistry, તમે આવું લખો છો pair. Pair નો meaning એવો થાય કે એકની જે magnetic moment હોય ને second ની અંદર opposite. The total magnetic moment is 0 એવું થાય. Okay, because of that. એટલું basic છે, બહુ આગળ આપણે chemistry side નથી જવાનું. Fine. આવું તો the book માં નીકળી ગયું. બરાબર, એટલે કે તમારે exam માં લખવું પડે એવું નથી. This is basic. Okay. So what happens is that when put in a magnetic field, it experiences a weak force. And about ocho force, it experiences a weak force towards weaker field, or you can say away from stronger field. There is a love way. When we put it in a magnetic field, it experiences a force towards weaker field. Another meaning, let's try to indicate. See, suppose magnetic field lines at some point are like this. This. So our field line draw here. Where is the field weaker? On left side or on right side? Field lines are spread out. बराबर ने? Distance between them is more. So इन्हें कहवाय weaker field. Correct? So suppose under such situation, if you would put a bar magnet, if you put a diamagnetic substance, a piece of a diamagnetic substance, for example, copper. Copper like this. Then it will get a force, not in direction of field or anything, towards which field? Towards the weaker field. Did you understand? It will get a force towards the weaker field. But our force bhau વધારે ન હોય. The force itself is very less. Now, why this happens? Answer next chapter. Alright, diamagnetism is actually a weird kind of property that cannot be explained just by whatever we have learned so. Clear? શું થાય છે સમજાઈ ગયું? Why મેં તમને સમજાવ્યું નથી તો ઇગ્નોર સમજાય. Natural. Alright? Clear? Okay. Another. The magnetic field inside the diamagnetic substance is always less than that outside. See the meaning. B is less than BC. B is less than BC. Why? Because suppose this is a uniform field, let's say BC. And અહીંયા તમે diamagnetic substance મૂકો ને, then what will happen is that just like dielectric, જ્યારે dielectric માં શું થાય, ઊંધું એક field create થાય. You remember? Just like that here, there is an opposite field created, induced field. સમજાણું? And repeat what I have said. In dielectric substances, what do we have? An opposite induced electric field is created. Yeah, say theory. Same thing here. An opposite induced magnetic field is created. આ પોઈન્ટ પર ટોટલ B ની વેલ્યુ શું આવે? V0 minus B induced. Understood? It will be little bit less than what if આનો field diagram કેવો થઈ જાય છે? આનો field diagram આવો છે. This is the diamagnetic substance. So field line છે ને આમ થોડી દૂર થી જવા. અંદરથી તો જશે, but they will go outward compared to where the diamagnetic substance. આ સમજાણું? Why? અંદર field ઓછો છે, બહાર field વધારે હશે. તો obviously અહીંયા distance વધી જાય ને બધા. Did you get it? Clear or not clear? Right? Here the field line should be a little bit away from each other. Diagram समझ गए? What happens when a diamagnetic substance is placed inside magnetic field? ये देखा है. Got it? Okay. B induced आ साइड के जाओ से. Chapter 6. Right. Sorry. This will be explained in chapter 6. Fine. Basically, एक word में कहूँ भले मैं बहुत समझाते नहीं. It is due to electromagnetic induction. Right? पर इशू से नहीं क्यों क्यों बोलूँ? Chapter 6. Fine. Okay. Dielectric જેવું છે ને, dielectric માં કેવું થતું? Because of the outside field, we get an induced field on the inside. The opposite. એ રીતે because of the outside field, we get an induced field on the inside. પણ એ ઊંધી બાજુ. Right? Okay. This is special about diamagnetic substance. બધું ખબર પડી ગઈ? Fine. Now, here. The diamagnetic effect is quite weak. એનો શું meaning? એનો meaning out. B induced is nearly equal to 0. That means B is nearly same as B0. That means mu r, which is equal to B by B0, is nearly equal to 1, but less than. Have you understood what I have written so far? Okay. આયાત છે, આનો મીનિંગ સમજાણો? quite weak effect. એનો શું મીનિંગ? It will try to create an opposite field, but that opposite induced field is generally very small. Very good. The opposite induced field is generally very small. So શું થાય? આ બે nearly same જ આવે. If these two are nearly same, but still the fact is that B is less than B0. Yes, no. કેના જેવું છે? આ 100 હોય તો B induced 0.01 આવશે. B0 is 100 or 0.01. તો સબટ્રેક્ટ કરો તો થોડું ઓછું થાય ને. Clear or not clear? So B will still be less than B0, but they will be nearly equal. So mu r ની formula to B upon B0. Do you remember that? So mu r will be nearly equal to 1, but still mu r will be less than 1 because B is less than B0. સમજાણું? તો હવે chi m શું આવે? What is chi m? Mu r minus 1 એવું લખાય ને. તો આ nearly 1 હોય તો chi m શું આવે? Nearly 0. But will it be positive or negative? Negative. યાદ રાખવા જેવું. For diamagnetic substances, mu r is less than 1 and chi m is less than 0. યાદ રહેશે? which are taking part in javelin throw. Is it clear or not? Understood? Okay. Again, both the why is even answer एक જ છે જે છે that will be explored in detail in chapter 6. યાદ કરાવજો. આખો ચેપ્ટર પૂરો થઈ જાય તો એવું સમજાવું નહીં. જો કે કદાચ ખબર પડી જ જશે એમને વચ્ચે જે બધા ટોપિક આવે એનાથી એ એવું કેમ clear. Let's take a little subtopic of it, superconductors. Right, superconductors. Another part. So what are superconductors? જેવું નામ છે એવું કામ છે. What is the meaning of superconductor? It's a conductor, but a very good one. Correct or not? Yes. So superconductors are those substances whose resistance is nearly nil is equal to 0. Is that clear? Superconductors are those things whose resistance is equal to 0. Negligible है नहीं हो, बहुत clearly कहूँ equal to 0 है exactly 0. Right? Actually, superconductors are a special state of matter. समझे क्या? Superconductors are a special state of matter. ये मैंने resistance 0 दी. Okay. Now, if here what happens is this is this. If you put a superconductor in some magnetic field, then it will create its own magnetic field so much stronger, induced field, कि आप एक cancel दे. Metals में क्या होता है तो याद करो. Suppose this is a metal sphere. बाहर से electric field apply करी, तो ये पोतानु अंदर induced field एटलू create कर ले. याद आयु? So that these two are equal and total electric field becomes 0 and shielding kevaय. Do you remember that or not? Yes. Okay. केवुज काम superconductor do, but in magnetic field. Alright. So here we write B induced becomes equal to B0 for superconductors. Okay. એનું રીઝન લખી દો. બધું નહીં સમજાય, થોડું તો સમજાશે. As current flowing can be very large. કેમ કરંટ વેરી લાર્જ ઉપર રેઝિસ્ટન્સ 0 રાખ્યો છે તો જેનું રેઝિસ્ટન્સ હોય એમાં તો કરંટ કેવો ઈઝીલી ફ્લો થાય, right? So a very large current will flow and that will be creating a lot of magnetic field induced which will oppose that. એને કેમ ઓપોઝ કરે એ બધું ચેપ્ટર 6 માં જ આવશે. Alright, so it will oppose the outside field and the way field. So inside the substance, the magnetic field will become zero. समझाओ? समझाओ क्या ना समझाओ? So you can say, therefore we have B equal to 0 inside what? Inside a superconductor. What does that mean? And yes, thing again of the superconductor. Alright, this sentence is called the Meissner effect. Okay, नाम याद रख दो. लिख ले दो. What is the Meissner effect? What inside a superconductor the magnetic field is 0. આ shielding જેવું છે. સમજાણું ને? બહારની ઇફેક્ટ અંદર ન આવે. ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ફીલ્ડ એવો હતું ને સેમ આવું. So diagram draw કરી. Suppose this is a superconductor. Then magnetic field lines બતારી અને કો બી જશે. Right side में. Did you understand this or not? Magnetic field lines will curve around it and go. Right? They will not enter it. कारण के अंदर field 0 આવે. Okay. હવે આટલી property ફટાફટ બોલવા માંડો. What do you think μr should be? What do you think Im should be? ચલો μr for superconductor. μr ની ફોર્મ્યુલા શું? B upon B0. B upon B0. And B ની વેલ્યુ શું superconductor? 0. So μr is equal to 0. So if μr is 0 તો Im minus 1. Clear or not? Alright, for superconductor mu r is 0 and chi m is -1. કેમ 0 આવ્યો? આ mu r ની ફોર્મ્યુલા છે ને b/d0. b is 0. b0 મૂકી દો mu r 0. chi m -1. Clear? યાદ રહેશે ને આ? So we actually call it the perfect diamagnetic substance, the king of diamagnetism. બરાબર ને કે નહીં? Just like metals have dielectric constant infinite. એમાં ગમે એટલું polarization થઈ જાય. Do you remember that? Similarly, superconductors are the equivalent thing for magnetism. એની અંદર ગમે એટલું induced current flow થઈ જાય એટલે field આવી જાય તો બધું field cancel થઈ જાય. Got it? Fine. So what do you think? Superconductors will be attracted to the strong magnetic field or pushed away from the strong magnetic field? Pushed away. સમજાય છે? કેટલા સમજાણું? એવા ખબર નહીં તમે ક્યાંક વિડિયો જોયા હોય તો ઇન્ટરનેટ ઉપર બહુ ટાઈમ પાસ ચાલતો હોય કે ઓલું નાઇટ્રોજન વાળું કંઈક એકદમ ઠંડુ કરીને એને આમ ગોળ ફેરવતા હોય સુપરકન્ડક્ટર. કેમ પડી ન જાય? Because there is a magnet below it. The superconductor. It does not want to go towards the magnet because if it goes down, magnetic field will be more. So it's trying to go up. But weight હોય ઉપર તો ન જઈ શકે. Everything is balanced. એટલે એમને levitate થાય. It will not fall down, right? સમજાણું ને? એવી. And then push કરો એટલે આમ ગોળ કરતું જાય. Right? You will not be able to go sideways also. Right? Okay, fine. Now next one. अच्छा एक सेंटेंस लखो तो लखी नाखो ऊपर लखो all substances show diamagnetism. All substances show diamagnetism, but it is weak and gets hidden behind other effects. Gets hidden in presence of other effects. આના શું meaning? બધી વસ્તુ diamagnetic જ હોય. Let me be very clear. Chemistry માં તમે જે ભણ્યા હોય કઈ વાંધો નહીં. Everything shows diamagnetism. Alright? But often what happens is that the diamagnetism is hidden behind other things. You have paramagnetism or ferromagnetism because those effects are comparatively strong compared to diamagnetism, right? They're bigger in their effects. Okay, second one, paramagnetism. હવે કંઈ નથી કરવાનું, જે પહેલા લખ્યું હતું એનું ઊંધું લખી જવાનું. Clear? Let's start. First one. So there are unpaired electrons. લખતા જજો ફટાફટ. Next. Net magnetic moment of one atom is not zero. Why is it not zero? એનું રીઝન ઉપર છે. That the electrons are not paired. At least one unpaired electron should be there. So એને શું કહેવાય? Paramagnetic. Understood? પછી when put in a field, it experiences a weak force. એ weak જ આવશે. Towards not weaker field but stronger field. એટલે એનો ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કરી લઉં છું. તમે એ રીતે કરી નાખજો. See, all this frankly has nothing to do with these arrows, huh? It will have to do. You understand what I'm saying? Suppose here a piece of paramagnetic substance, okay, then in which direction will it get force? Towards the right side. Why? Because it's paramagnetic, so it will get a force towards the stronger field, not towards the weaker field. સમજાણું? હવે આ ફીલ્ડ લાઈન ઊંધી કરી નાખો તો એ જ બાજુ પર થશે. Is that absolutely clear? Yes or no? Okay, હવે આનું y એ ચેપ્ટર 6 માં નહીં અહીંયા જાવ. Alright, એટલે y સમજાવી દઉં ને આવું કેમ થાય. Then we'll proceed to writing the next step. Okay, so this is the paramagnetic substance. Why does it get a force in this direction? The reason lies here. See, suppose this is that substance. એમાંથી એકાદ dipole moment એક બે આવી છે, right? But do you realize that under normal circumstances the dipoles are going to be randomly oriented? એવું diamagnetism માં ન હોય, કારણ કે એમાં diamagnetism માં magnetic moment જ ન હોય. That's the difference. So here these are randomly oriented. Suppose આને આમ લાવીને આ ફીલ્ડમાં મૂકી દો. Alright, let's take it the easy way. Suppose B0 field એક જ બાજુ છે, isn't it? So what will happen? The dipoles will try to align. બહુ બધા તો છે જ નહીં, એટલું બધું થાય 100% alignment ન થાય, but still whatever that is, some alignment will be there. So this sample or this object will get a magnetization, correct? And its dipole moment will also be the same way. સમજાણું? Okay, now if the magnetic dipole moment is in this direction, then the magnetic field within magnetic moment. Okay, so this will behave equivalent. Listen to this carefully. Okay, so I was saying that if the magnetic moment would be in this direction, because magnetic field is in that, then this piece thing would equivalently behave something of this kind. That suppose that piece, that magnetic moment is in this direction. You having any induced magnetic moment? So you કહી શકાય કે આ બાજુ નોર્થ હશે ને આ બાજુ સાઉથ. હવે આ ફીલ્ડમાં મૂક્યું છે. Yes or no? Okay, so potential energy of a magnetic dipole or a piece of magnet inside a magnetic field is given by this. So align થઈ ગઈ dipole moment. Yes or no? Okay, so theta has now become 0. Now if it wants to reduce the potential energy further, reduce that, so stable થાય ને, યાદ છે ને, whenever potential energy will reduce, thing will become stable. So u ની વેલ્યુ ઓછી કરવાની છે. તો એંગલ નું તો કામ પતી ગયું. તો હવે શું થાય? m ની વેલ્યુ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય, પણ મેક્સિમમ જેટલા અલાઇન થતા હતા એ થઈ ગયા. હવે તો b ની વેલ્યુ વધારે હોય તો પોટેન્શિયલ એનર્જી ઓછી થઈ જશે. Agreed? If b is more, u is less. Clear or not clear? Yes. Okay, so એ કઈ બાજુ મૂવ થાય તો b ની વેલ્યુ વધારે આવશે? Towards stronger field or towards weaker field? Stronger field. સમજાણું? If we try to move towards the stronger, did you get it? Yes or no? Clear? Everything. We try to move towards the stronger field. ખબર પડી ગઈ? This force will definitely not be strong for simple reason. The reason is that in a paramagnetic substance, the dipole moments of individual atoms are very small. કારણ કે એકાદો જ unpaired electron. You get what I'm saying? So because of that, even taking all the magnetic moments together, the value of m is very small. So all these effects will remain weak. બહુ વધારે magnetization થાય ને, that time this will give a large. So that's why this force is still going to be small. Right? તો હું શું કહેતો હતો તમને, આ ઊંધું હોય તો શું થાય? તો speed lines are distant. તો શું થાય? Will force still act the same way? Yes or no? Yes. એવું મેં શીખવાડ્યું, પણ એવું થાય વેરીફાઈ તો કરી દો શું થાય? If the field lines are going this way, તો આમ નહીં થાય, એટલે ઊંધી બાજુ થશે ને. Yes or no? એટલું સમજાય છે. Then we'll have north here and south here. Is it fine? Fine or not? Yes. તો હવે શું થાય? પહેલા રોટેટ થઈ જશે. જો ઓલરેડી ઊંધું હશે તો આમ રોટેટ થઈ જશે, પછી આમ જશે. Did you get it? Still it will always move towards the stronger field. એટલે સમજાણું? આમ હોય તો એવું થાય ને, એનો ખબર પડી કેમ એવું. જો આ બાજુ ફીલ્ડ સ્ટ્રોંગ રાખ્યું તો તો સાઉથ ને વધારે ફોર્સ લાગશે, એની ફીલ્ડ લાઇન ઇઝ ટુવર્ડ લેફ્ટ સાઈડ, તો સાઉથ ઉપર ફોર્સ ઓપોઝિટ લાગે, અગ્રી નોર્થ ઉપર આમ લાગે, સાઉથ ઉપર આમ લાગે, જસ્ટ લાઈક પોઝિટિવ એન્ડ નેગેટિવ. You get the whole idea? Okay. બરાબર. Or you can think of dipole moment જેવું મેં અહીંયા સમજાવ્યું કે ભાઈ આમ થઈ ગયું. Now how can the potentiality decrease? By going towards stronger field. Is it clear? એટલે dipole moments align જ એવી રીતે થાય. ફીલ્ડ ઊંધું કર્યું તો પછી નોર્મલી બાજુ નહીં આવે, પછી નોર્થ આ બાજુ. Clear? So always it will move towards the stronger field. ભલે ફીલ્ડ આમથી આમ જતો હોય, આમથી આમ જતો હોય. It simply does not matter. Clear? Clear or not clear? Okay. So LEGO point to LEGO. It will get a force towards the stronger. बराबर. Okay. પછીનો પોઈન્ટ શું છે? લખતા રહીએ ને. હા. પાછળ છે જી. બે ત્રણ છે. Okay. Now yes, the magnetic field inside એની વાત કરવાની. Okay. So, you know, I was explaining this here so you didn't know it was the challenge. Let's say તમે તો આમ ઊંધો ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કર્યો છે ને, તો આપણે એ રીતે ડ્રો કરી દીધો. Suppose this is that paramagnetic substance and it is placed in magnetic field, let's say like this. So what's going to happen? The dipole moment will get aligned. યાદ આવ્યું? So m આમ આવશે. So this magnetic moment is because there will be a current flowing like this. સમજાય છે? theory યાદ કરજો, rod માં current flow થતો તેવું કીધું. Correct? So if magnetic moment is in this direction, then that means magnetic field induced by this magnetic moment is also in the same direction. Clear? Current arm flow થાય તો magnetic moment આમ આવે, અને current arm flow થાય તો magnetic field આમ આવે. Agreed? So what this means is inside this we have two fields. Which two? એક તો B0 આમ છે and one more is induced. સમજાણો કે નહીં? Sure? Clear? This is different from diamagnetic. Diamagnetic નું કેવું? Opposite. આમાં કેમ છે એમાં આવે છે? Here I can explain the reason. આના માટે everything ની જરૂર નથી. What did I say? Magnetic field is this way. So induced movement also that way. Induced movement આમ હોય એનો મતલબ કે current આમ flow થતો. Right? If current is flowing this way in a loop, so એ loop નું magnetic field કઈ direction માં? Towards the right hand. Understood? Yes. Okay or not? Yes. So it's towards the right hand. Okay. B0 and B is made right hand. So if I want to find magnetic field inside sample or magnetic field inside paramagnetic substance. Oh, look, is B equal to B0 plus B induced. Did you understand? Yes or no? Yes. આની પહેલા કેમ સબટ્રેક્શન કર્યું હતું? Field direction opposite. Got it? Okay, but still this effect is weak. So obviously we have B greater than B0, but effect is weak. अच्छा, આના માટે field line છે draw કરી નાખો ને. Okay, કેવી રીતે આવશે? Field line will go inside and go. થોડું બહુ વધારે effect ન હોય. Did you understand this diagram? Diamagnetic થી ઊંધો. બરાબર ને? This is a paramagnetic substance. Okay? Next. Mu R. We are going B by B0. So greater than 1, less than 1. Greater than 1. But still, mu r is going to be nearly equal to 1 because the effect is weak. B induced the value को વધારે नहीं होता. So mu r is greater than 1, but still nearly equal to 1. By extension, જેવું પહેલા લખાયું હતું, chi is greater than 0, but chi will still be close to 0. એવું નહીં કે 100 વેલ્યુ આવે. સમજાણું ને? Reason because B and B0 are going to be nearly the same. સમજાય છે ને બધું? એને ખબર પડતી કે જો ન સમજાતો તો રાઈટ. હવે કે બાકી પોઈન્ટ સુપર કંડક્ટર જેવું કઈ આમાં હોતું નથી, બરોબર ને? And also there is nothing like para electric, બરોબર ને? You see how different the behavior is. Diamagnetism હોય, paramagnetism હોય. Dielectric હોય પણ para electric નો હોય. Clear or not? Okay. Fine. Yeah. So now let's quickly look at the values that we have. બરાબર ટેબલ ટેકુ માં કાઢો ખાલી એક બે વેલ્યુઝ દેખાડી દો એટલે તમને આઈડિયા આવી જાય આ બધું આપણે લખીએ શું છે કેટલી વેલ્યુ. So on page number 191 હજી પેરામેગ્નેટિઝમ નો ટોપિક આખો નથી ભાઈ તો ક્યુરીઝ લો શીખવાડવાનો પણ પહેલા 191 પર ટેબલ મળ્યું તમને. Yes or no? Yes. Did you see the value? So diamagnetic substance side पर left side બધાની negative. And how much? Value તો જો 0.0000 એવું છે ને. Like I said, they are less than 0 but very close to 0. Diamagnetic. હવે paramagnetic માં જો એ ખાલી એના જેવું છે but not negative but positive. સમજ પડી? એનો સમજ. હવે એક આ 5.10 એક્ઝામ્પલ છે ને એમાં mu r ની વેલ્યુ શું લખી છે 400 એટલે im ની વેલ્યુ 399 એના કમ્પેરિઝન માં આ બધી વેલ્યુ બહુ જ નાની છે ને because that 400 is for ferromagnetic. સમજાણું? that is for ferromagnetic. એ આવશે આગળ. ferromagnetic ની બહુ વધારે વેલ્યુ
current induced 700 ampere.
yes સાચું છે
real માં
યા કરે ઓકે બરાબર. એ એનું કન્ક્લુઝન એવું પછી સમજાય ફેરોમેગ્નેટિઝમ માં આવે ને રાઈટ. ઓકે all this is fine. Now let's go to the next thing. એટલે આનો પાર્ટ છે Curie's law. Okay. So Curie's law by experiment आपको law empirical that is the results are all obtained from experiment. Right? The law in its simplest form is this, that magnetization of a paramagnetic material is equal to B0 upon T at a temperature. B0 तो समझ पड़े ने upon temperature. So basically it's like this. But when we remove proportionality, we should get a constant. That constant is called Curie's constant. What is it called? Curie's constant. C is nothing but Curie's constant. This Curie is not Madame Curie. It is about her husband, Pierre Curie. Right? Okay. They are the only family who has won 4 Nobel Prizes. एक family में 4. 2 for Madame Curie, 1 for Pierre Curie for this thing, and 1 to their daughter, if I'm not wrong. Okay, Irene Curie. Right? Anyway, here. So this is called Curie's law. M for what? Magnetization. Whatever C Curie constant, B0 is the external field and T is the temperature. So M ની value chi m into h લખાય. याद છે કે નહીં? Okay. B0 ની value mu0 into h લખાય. Yes or no? Okay, તો કઈ cancel થાય. So what we get? Chi m. C ને mu0 constant. So chi m is proportional to 1 by T. એ લોકો લખી શકાય. આ is equal. Right? So this is also an important relation for which kind of substances? Paramagnetic substances. That chi m is proportional to 1 upon T. The temperature વધતું જશે એવું શું થશે? chi m will decrease. I will decrease. એવું શું reason? How easy છે? You know, the physics is very simple. See, M stands for magnetization, and it depends completely on how many dipoles can be aligned. Yes or no? એનો સમજાણું. Capital M શું હતું? Induced dipole moment per unit volume. So dipole વધારે align થાય તો magnetization વધારે. Yes or no? So how can you increase magnetization? First, if external field is more, magnetization will also be more. Second, temperature. Temperature, you know, always plays spoil sport. Why? If temperature is more, the random motion will be more. So alignment no cycle. Did you get there? Yes or no? If temperature is more, random motion or random motion tendencies are more. That means alignment will not be proper. Got it? So એનાથી શું થશે? Induced magnetic moment is less. If induced magnetic moment is less, that would mean magnetization is also less. સમજાણું આવું કેમ આવે છે? B0 upon T, directly proportional to B0, of course, and inversely proportional to M. So temperature વધારે હોય તો ઓછું થઈ જાય alignment. Did you get it? Fine. Oh. So that's the Curie's law for paramagnetic substance. પાછો આવશે ferromagnetic. બરાબર? પણ આના જેવું છે લોજિક બધું ખાલી થોડું લખવાનું હોય. Alright, now you can turn it off.